How to change email id in Goethe account? First, go to the Goethe website, then go to my goethe.de. From there, log into your account, whatever account you're having. After that, again go to my goethe.de. From there, go to my profile. From there, you will see the account setting. Go to account setting, click on the email address. Here you have to put your new email id. Again, re-enter your new email id. After that, you have to change your password. After that, click on next. You will receive a email on your new email address. So go on your email account. Now go to your emails now and check for the email from Goethe website. Click on that link below, and here you have to log in with your new email address and save it. That's it.